Hi guys, how are you? Today we're gonna be playing my old game, my old favorite game, which is Flood Escape 2. Alright, abandoned facility. Alright, let's go. Like here, okay. Well, I don't think I can do it with this FX camera, but anyway, no. Here. Get the tank. Okay. 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 Oh God, we're gonna die. Of course we're gonna. Oh wait. Wait. Return. The button has been pressed. Alright. Just go. Okay. It's now acid. But alright. I made it. What the hell? Alright. Ah! It's not letting me like move. Whoa. Press the button, lazy bones. Yes, I made it. Okay. Wait, I need to like turn off the camera effects. All right, there. I think it should be hard, easier. All right. So I also wanted to say that I'm going to be training my Flood Escape 2 skills because I stopped playing this game and lost them. But it's time to get them back. I used to love this game so much. I used to be like so good. I'm like level 47, but I stopped. I moved on to like Piggy and you know. Alright. Let's spectate. Like alright. Alright. 2 minutes already. Okay. Okay. Well, they're almost finished. Yeah, just like that. I used to be like them, but stopped playing. But I didn't play Flood Escape 2 on mobile, which is right now what I'm playing on. I'm playing right now on I used to play it on PC. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let them press the button. Alright. Let's go here. Alright. I'm doing good. Alright. I still know this ladder trick, which is good. Alright. Let's go. Wait. Okay. Whoa. Okay, rocks. Okay. This is a really cool map. Yeah, but like I don't know. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying right now. Press this button and then someone else and then we win. Good. 4 minutes and okay. Ain't dying. Wait. I forgot I can't emote. Alright. Oh no, increases to hard. Alright. I hope it's not the Savannah map. Dockside Forest. Dockside Forest is okay. Alright, I'ma press. Alright, he's gonna go for it. I'm not risking it. Alright, I'ma press the button. Alright, guys. Someone go there. Alright, Oh, come on. Alright, good. The hell did my camera do? Oh my god. The hell is happening? Roblox is like not letting me move my camera, or like it stops moving. Come on, look. I move, I try to move, it stops. It's so strange. Why does Roblox do that? I don't know. Anyways, let's see if this girl survives. I bet maybe she will, but I don't know if she will. Alright, any moment. Alright, there. Now, lava. Alright, she made it. Surprised that no pro player survived. Okay. Cave system. I'm not really a fan of this map. Ah! Alright. I'm just gonna wait here then. Alright, let's go. I'll go in the water. Okay. I'm gonna get it. It made me stop moving. Alright, forget it. I'm returning. I don't know what Roblox is even doing, but okay. I'm just gonna go. Press. No, not press the button. But I just go here. Oh, ah! Okay. I did it. What? And okay. Boop boop. Boop boop. Yeah, I clearly suck on mobile. On PC I could be better. Also I did like playing for Escape 2 for a while this year, but then I stopped again. Okay. Alright, Mysterium. Let's go. Ah. Alright, forget it. I go here. Boop. No. I want to press that button. But alright, people already did it. Oh my god! Just stop doing that glitch. Alright, okay. Boop. Alright, you press. Alright. Ah. Let me push button, please. I want to push a button. Come on. What? Alright. Just take your time. Don't rush, lol. Oh. And yes, did it. Okay. Okay, here comes the acid. Oh, 9 minutes. Okay. I think we're gonna do the last round. And then we're like gonna end it off here. Oh, moved on too hard. Okay. Well, I could have done my emote. I don't know what's my emote. Please don't be dab. Alright. Push. Alright. Okay. There. Ah. 3. Okay. We're gonna make it. Push. Maybe. Alright. Okay. Never mind. Someone else is gonna do it. Pistol artist will. I'll push this button together with the... His user sounds like a yo-yo cake. Alright. Anyone pressing it? There. Boop. Right, alright. Shortcut? No. I just need to do this like that. Alright. Whoa! Okay. Almost fell. What? Yes! GG! Oh, okay. It's this one. Also, look. Alright. Anyways, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if I learned like any skills yet on this just from training, but anyways, bye guys!